Hi guys, it's Reshma. So guys, we need to find the equation for tangent and normal for this curve, right? So to begin with guys, we'll find dy by dx for this curve, right? We'll differentiate this curve to get dy by dx. So that we can get the slope for the tangent, okay? And from that we can calculate what to say, a slope for normal also. So I have started differentiating. 1 by a square is a constant, so it will be like that, and then it will be 2x minus 1 by b square into 2y by dy into dx. So now 2y by b square into dy by dx is equal to uh, 2x by a square. We can cancel 2 from both sides, right guys? So 2 and 2 is cancelled. Moving forward, dy by dx is x by a square into, okay, b square will come up and y is here. Okay, cool. So at the question we have given the point at under root 2 and a at under root 2a and b, dy by dx is under root a, sorry, under root 2a, right? So that okay, and y is b, right? Here y is b, right? So what will be the value of dy by dx, guys? It will be a, we can cancel from here, b, so it will be under root 2 b by a, right? Cool. Now, so guys, now what we will do, we'll find the equation of tangent. So guys, like equation of a line in slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m is the slope, x minus x1, right? So we'll be using this formula so to find the equation of tangent. So the equation of tangent will be at root a by b comma b, sorry, b, we found it was root 2, right? And x minus root 2 a, right? So guys, it will be y minus b under root 2 a by b by x minus under root 2a into root, okay, let me write like this, a and a will cancel, so y minus b is equal to under root 2b by a x minus 2b, right? Y is under root 2 x minus b. Further we can simplify it and write ay is equal to twice bx minus ab. This is the equation of tangent. Okay, we also need to find the equation of normal. I'll show you the steps for that also. So we'll be using the same uh, equation. Okay, like slope point form equation, guys. So the equation, let me write it properly. So the equation of normal at 2. So guys, before we start with the equation of normal, we need to find the slope, right? Slope of the line. So what it will be? It will be like guys, you know that the product of the product of slope of perpendicular lines is -1, right? So the tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other. So we had the slope of tangent as under root BA, right? And let the slope of normal be m1, that will be -1, right? Their product will be -1. So m1 will be minus a root 2b, right? This is our slope for normal. Okay, I'll repeat it again. The slope of the product of slope of perpendicular lines is -1, and so we multiplied the slope, both their slope, and we found the slope for our normal. Now we will continue and we will use the y minus y1, this form, right? m1 x minus x1. So y minus y1 is what to be, right? m1 is minus a root 2 ab x minus root 2 a. So now is equal to minus a root 2b x minus plus a square by b. So that looks a bit weird. So what we can do is that we can multiply both sides by, okay, we need to root 2b, so it will be root 2b y minus b square is equal to minus ax plus twice a square. So root 2b y is equal to minus ax plus twice a square plus b square, and this is the slope for normal. Thank you.